What's up? Just tapping in with the people. Info King TV here, just going through some of this winter crops, looking at some harvest. We got some curled Scotch blue dwarf cow, regular cow, Siberian dwarf, red scarlet, some pineapples over there. We grow all year round. We don't just grow in the summer. So you want to learn how to grow something? Tap into Info King TV. You can learn how to start your own garden, indoors or outdoors. A lot of DIY projects save you and your family some money. Information is king. Remember that. I am not the king of information. It's information that is king. So learn about stocks, a few different things. If you want to learn, sound like something you're interested in, tap in Info King TV. Peace. Just be live. Understand, I know about being so broke. No clothes, gotta rock a coat for a shirt. Don't make a permanent decision.